Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter for you today. So this one is on Superman. So I found this really cool picture of Superman's, different characters playing Superman. And what I really like about this picture is that they included Smallville, Clark Kent. Now, some people say, oh, he's not really Superman because he only wore the costume for the last like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes of the series. But to me, he's more Clark Kent, but he's still classed as Superman. So I'm glad that he is included in this picture. And then, so the picture is all one, and then I put on my computer and I added the Superman at the bottom. So I got that image. I put on a piece of cardstock. And then I made a bookmark, which I like. It turned out pretty good. And then I'm including some coloring pages. Let's see here. Yeah, I was including 4. There's that image there. Him coming through the wall. I have to say Superman is probably my favorite superhero. Everybody's got a favorite. And I got the Lego Superman. And this image is pretty cool. It's got the Daily Planet in the background and Superman. Changing from Clark Kent into Superman. I thought that was pretty cool. And now for my pocket letter part. So this is the front. I got this cool tape. It's got all the comic book words on the top of it. Bam, knock, boom. And that's a year 1 picture. So those are the newer ones. And then I got I guess it could be the video game version. That's computer animated. And then I got the Lego one. Isn't that cool? And I got a comic book cover. I love this sparkly tape. See, boom! Black and white one. That's another cover. And there's Superman in there. So behind these, I cleared the colored pages because I got pencil crayons behind this one. And I got T in here. And I got crayons. I got some tags behind this one. I got sparkly stickers are behind this one. And yeah, so I got some tags behind there. The crayons are right there. They really make it puff out. And there's pencil crayons in there. And I'll show you the back. This is the first time I've done this. It's where you take an image and then you cut it into the sections. Now you have to really make sure you measure more than once before you cut it. Because I had some different sizes. Some were way too big, and the only one I had trouble was with this one here. I can't get it to line up. And if I keep trimming, I'll end up trimming his ear away. So that's the only one, that pocket, that didn't turn out the way I wanted it. So I had it punching, so it looks like he's punching through the Superman logo, which I thought was awesome. So the idea of it turned out, and you still need a little bit more practice with this design, with going to the cut image in here, almost like I'm making a puzzle. And then I got my Superman. I glued this to the outside. Yeah, and I got all my comic book tape. Bam. Wow. Ha ha ha. Like they do in the comic books. So yeah. So that is the back. So I got T in here. I got sparkly stickers, pencil crayons, gift tags, jasmine tea. The other one is like just orange pekoe tea. And they all fit in here pretty good. The crayons really make it puff out quite a bit. But yeah, they shouldn't move on shipping. Shipping there. So yeah, so this is my Superman pocket letter. I really like it. Hopefully the person I sent it to really likes it. They just asked to swap. There was no theme. And so this is 9 pocket letter, my choice. That means I get to choose what I want to do. And yeah. And just mailing date. So I thought that was cool. Also, it's not here yet, but I just went on to Amazon and I got Superman DVD. So it has Superman 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th one. So 4 Superman movies in one DVD set. So that would be cool. To go with it, goes with my theme. I think it was only $10. But yeah, so that'll go with my set. So yeah, so that is my Superman theme with coloring pages. That's why I put the crayons and the pencil crayons in there, because I wanted some coloring pages. I do believe she's got kids, so that way it's a present for her and her kids, because her kids can color the pages if they wanted to. And they got a movie, so they can all watch the movies together. Because I'm pretty sure the older Superman movies are PG. I'm pretty sure. So yeah. So that way, they got an activity, they can color, they can watch the movie together. It's kind of like a family thing. So it's not just for the one person. For the pocket letter thing. So yeah, so the DVD is supposed to be here on Friday, so I'll make the mailing date. So yeah, so this is my Superman pocket letter. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, just comment below. Later.